Internet users. Now I will talk about the intraday analysis of Singapore and the Malaysia market. My name is Jessie Dean. Firstly, let's see some economic news. The United States has been raised interest rates since the end of 2015. The economic data shows up and downs, which has been less stable, especially CPI data had not been reached the 2-point target. Moreover, recent manufacturing data also showed an extremely weak. Nowadays, the current oil price is accepted to bottoming, so we can know that recently the oil stocks had a strong rebound. An important factor in determining the ups and downs of oil. Recently, supply relationship has also become the focus of market attention. Although the Middle East insists on not cutting oil production, oil price may rebound. Now is the bottom area. China market opened sharply lower today by the impact of commodity futures. Shanghai index fell to 2.15%. The GM opened nearly 2% lower. The resource stocks fell and the individual stocks fell. Yesterday's intraday plunge reversed, indicating that the fund is enough. The market may have rebounded after the support. By funds yesterday, the main funds have been outflow from real estate and other sectors for 2 consecutive days. Meanwhile, the fund's slight inflow small and medium invasive and other subject stocks. It means that the main funds have profit-taking means. On the other hand, it shows the main fund's concern style switch. We recommend investors continue to focus on the specific circumstance of the subsequent capital inflows and outflows and make good investment decisions. Okay, this is some news. Let's see the today's market. Firstly, let's see the Dow Jones Index. We can know that the Dow Jones Index sharply dropped. So what's that meaning? Because now from the candlestick we know that the market is in sideways area and the high point cannot create new high. So it tells us that we should pay attention to the risk. Today the Dow Jones Index is stable and the Dow Jones Index dropped 109.85%. So 85 point, drop 0.64%. So the open price is the open price and the close price and the high price, the low price is similar. So it tells us that the market is stable. So secondly, let's see Shanghai index. Just now I already talked about Shanghai index. Shanghai index fell 2.2. Now it's fell 2.35%. So today the market is still not good. So for China investors, it's not a good opportunity to buy some shares. And if you have some shares, maybe I think you are trapped. Then what should we do for China market? So now we need to wait and see and wait another chance to get in. But now you cannot buy any stocks. So the market, the Shanghai market may have rebound after the support. So we should see the chart and know where is the support and where is the resistance. If the price touched the support, maybe we can do some short-term rebound. So now the Shanghai index dropped 68.09 point and dropped 2.35%. So it's not good because we can see from the chart the market is also not active and the volume decrease, and there's not much volume here. So we just wait and see for stock investors. Next, let's see Hang Seng Index. Hang Seng Index, we can see the chart. We can see here the price. This is the open price, and from now on, we can know that the price has more goes up, and we can see here the price. The Hang Seng Index dropped 80.21%, 21 point, and we can see the next one is STI index. Recently, we know that the STI index went up a lot, and it's good for Singapore investors because we have some chance to earn money. Recently, I heard some investors they earned money in the stock market, and they bought Israel or Super Group or Yizhong Holding, Tech Oil Gas, or like the oil stocks. So it tells us that now is good chance to do short-term rebound. So many days ago, I already talked to you that these 2 months, like the March and April, these 2 months, you still have chance to make money in the stock market. So you should catch the good time to get in to buy some strong stocks. Okay, so now the STI index went up 16.15 point. So the rise 0.58%. So we can see the chart. This is the open price, and we can see the price, the market sharply went up, and then got some rebound, and then had some correction, and now it's during this area. It's for sideways. So if you have some stocks, you should judge whether the stock is strong or not. If your stock is weak stock, you need to sell and change to the strong ones. Okay, this is the STI index. Now we can see the KLCI index. The KLCI index recently we know that there's no the market is not active and still in sideways. And we can see here today the market is still very clear, and we know that today the price dropped 7.59 and the percentage is 0.45%. So it tells us that if you play Malaysia stocks, you should know that now the market is in sideways area, and you should wait. You should find the shares can upward break through the sideways area. And if you don't have some stock, if you didn't buy any stocks, so you need to wait. You need to wait and see, because the market is still in sideways. So we would better buy stocks in the uptrend and wait and see during the sideways area, and we should sell stocks in the downtrend. So this is the buy and sell strategy. Now we can see some functions like the homely chart. Later I will use these functions to help you to analyze some active stocks. The first function is called hot money attach. This function is very simple and is easy to understand, because every investors want to buy at low point. Then if you buy at low point, you can earn much money if the price go up. Okay, so this function is artifact for helping us to buy low. We can see here, we can see there's the green line, so it tells us like the triangle. So green triangle means stands for the buy point. So if we see this one, it tells us that the hot money attached, so we can do some short-term rebound. But you should pay attention that the green triangle stands for hot money. So if the hot money gets in, you only can do short-term rebound. Please remember that long-term is not good, but short-term you can earn some fast money. So we can see here, if we buy at this point, then the price went up, then we can earn some money. Then the next function is called banker holding position line. This function is very easy also. Then we can see the banker holding position line. They have two lines. One is for banker holding. The other one is for retailers holding. So this one is easily to make money on stocks. If we see here, then we can see the golden cross. What is that meaning? I already told you that this one, the white line here, this line, we can see this line stands for banker holding line. So the next one, the blue line stands for the retailer holding line. So when we see the banker holding position line up golden cross, the retailer holding position line is the buy point. So from the chart we can see here, there is the good buy point. So if we buy here, we can earn some money. Then where is the next chance to get in? Because if we didn't buy here, we want to buy another point. We want to get in. We want to buy at another point. So which point is the good point to get in again? Okay, so we can see here. Here we can see another golden cross. So it tells us that here is another good opportunity for us to catch some buy point, and we also can earn some money. If we buy here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can earn money. For 5 days, the price sharply went up, so it's good chance. And we can see this function is called trend ladder. Trend ladder is very useful, I think, because we know that we should judge the trend first, and the white line can help us to judge the trend because trend is very important for us. Trend is king. So if we know the trend, we should know the trend first, then we can see the price second. So we can see here, from the chart we know that the main line goes up, and we can see the price is above the main line. So it tells us that for medium term, the trend is very good. Then we can buy some, we can catch some buy point in the uptrend. Okay, so when we see here, the price upward breaks through the main line and the main line, the white line. And we can see here the golden cross. So this is the buy point, and this is the confirmation. Okay, so we can see here, if we didn't buy at this point, we can wait until this point, because we can see here the trend ladder turned to green ladder. Green ladder means the price had some correction, and we have another chance to get in because the main line is still up. So it tells us that the trend is good. So we need to wait and see. And we can see another day, the green ladder turned to the red ladder. So it's the chance to get in. And we can see here the golden cross. So from the two function, we can confirm here is the first buy point, and here is the second buy point. So this is the banker holding position line, and it's easily to make money on stocks. If you want to make money easily, you can use this function. The next function is banker return. This function is also very useful and valuable. I can show you that here. This function can let your profit run because we usually sell the strong stocks and earn small money and miss the good chance to earn a lot. Okay, so we can see here how to judge. Here is the how to judge the buy point from this function. Okay, we see here the banker return. When we see the two candles, these two lines close to the banker position line. So here it tells us that maybe we should wait and see and wait another chance, because this is the bottom area. And another day we can see the green turn to the red and start to open the mouth. Okay, so here is the buy point. So if we buy here, we can see this is the low point. And if you think this point is very dangerous, you can combine with the trend ladder. But if you use this function, we can see here is the good buy point. If you want to buy low, and this function is very good. And if you still can see here, the bank return open mouth again is another chance to earn money. So we can see this function can let our profit run. So any investors want to have more profit, but we don't know which function is available, which function is suitable for stocks, for individual stocks, and this function is very good. Okay, so this is this one, and we can see another one is banker trips. Banker trips is also good, and this indicator is very valuable, and many investors want to buy this indicator because it's very simple and easily to make money. So this function can help us to follow banker money to get in. So from the chart we can see here, the red clam and green clam stand for the banker trips. So if the banker trips increase, it tells us that the bank money is inflow and increase. So it tells us that here is the good buy point because this is the longest trips and the banker trips. So it tells us that here is the good buy point to get in. And if you buy, you need to wait the plunge rising. Okay, so this is very good. So if you buy at this point, maybe if you buy this day, so maybe another day the price drop, but it doesn't matter because the banker already get in. Why you be afraid? You need to wait and see because this is the banker chips, so don't worry. Okay, so if you see another day the price drop, but you need to keep your good mindset because don't worry about this because you know from the chart every stock want to go up and it may be in the uptrend the price will have some correction. It's normal. So here is the buy point, and if you see another, if you buy at this point, you need to have some patience to wait until the price go up. So we can see here, several days later, the price sharply drop. So if sharply go up, sharply rise. Okay, so if you sell at this point, if you buy here, but you wait for several days, you think it's still in sideways and it's not the price didn't go up. So you will sell the share. But when you sell, the price sharply drop, then you will regret. So these bank trips, if you see the bank money getting, we just follow it. Why we don't follow? If you follow the bank money, you will earn stock, you will make profit. Okay, so this one is called the multicolor dragon X. So we can see here, the green clam stand for lost fund. The yellow color stand for flowing fund. The red clam stand for profit fund. And here, the green line stand for moving average of lost fund. And the purple line stand for moving average of flowing fund. And the pink line stands for moving average of flowing fund, and the purple line stands for moving average of profit fund. So we can see this function. This function is multiple dragon X and check the trace of bankers. So if we see the profitable money is above 50, so it tells us that the banker control the stocks. So we just wait and see, and you will earn a fat profit. You will earn fat profit. So don't worry. If you use this function, this futures of Homey chart, I think you will earn stock. It's the good tool for you catching the chance. Okay. So just now I already taught you some features of homely chart. Okay, so let's analyze some individual stocks you by homely chart. Okay, so firstly let's see the Singapore market, and this is the sectors. Okay, this is so let's see we change the market to Singapore market, and we can see here, let's see some sectors. Okay, the first one is about utilities sectors, and next one is energy, telecommunication, consumer, and healthcare, and these sectors. Okay, firstly, let's see utilities. Okay, utilities, firstly, let's see hyperlinks. Okay, so we can use this function to judge. Okay, then we can use some functions. Just now I already taught you. The first one, maybe we can use the banker chips. Many people like these indicators. Okay, from the chart we can see here. This is the banker chips. So it tells us that some bankers money inflow here and money inflow here. So here is the good buy opportunity, and here is another buy opportunity. So if you use this function, you can catch the low point you can catch the low point. Okay, so we can see here. If you use this function, I already told you, you should be patient, okay? So from the buy point, if you buy these shares, you can earn some money. And if you sell here, you can wait until another banker chips getting again. Here is another buy point. So if we buy here, we can earn much money, right? Okay, this is the one share. The next one, let's see another share. Like we can use another indicate sectors like energy. Energy we can use let's see Israel. This share is very strong, right? Okay, so from the chart we can see here. We can use another function to judge. Maybe I can use the bank rating. Okay, so here we can see this chart. We can see the chart. So we know that yesterday the Israel sharply dropped and opened higher, then closed lower. So what's that meaning? Maybe some bankers flow outflow, some banker money outflow, but this is the uh, but another banker getting again. We should know that. So okay, we see here from the chart we know that you can use this function to catch it because yesterday, if you see the chart, you will sell these stocks because the chart is not good, right? But if you use homely chart functions, you still can hold it because the trend is still in the uptrend. Firstly, let's see the trend ladder. The trend ladder, the price still go up. So we can see here when we see the green turn to the red candlestick, maybe it's the buy point, right? Okay, so here is for short-term buy point. And if you buy here, from now on, nowadays you still can keep it. Don't worry because the trend is very good. So you can earn money again. And we can see here. This is the bank rating, and we just now already taught you how to use this function, and we know that here is the good buy point. So if we follow the functions, I think you will keep these strong stocks because this stock belongs to all your sectors. So I already taught you just from the beginning. I already taught you that the oil price may rebound, so it's the good opportunity. So you just can keep it, right? Because the trend is very good. Okay, so let's see another one, like Intel. Okay, this is the Intel blue chips. So we also can use functions to judge like Market-Jiexin. Okay, so we see here. From here is the buy from this point, we know that the banker money, the profitable money inflow. So it tells us that we still have chance to buy here. Then if we buy here, we still can keep it because the trend ladder is still red ladder. So it's the good chance to keep it. And we can see the white line still go up. So we can know that this share is still in the up. It's good. So it's the good chance to keep it. But you should know that the previous high point is the resistance. So if the price can upward break through again, maybe it's the good chance. But if the price cannot upward break through the previous high point because the high point has some resistance for the price. Okay, so if cannot upward break through, maybe here is the sell point for short term, but only for short term. Because these 2 months, the market will continue to go up. So we can earn money during these 2 months. Okay. So next one, let's see some Malaysia. Let's see Malaysia market. Okay. So first, let's see some sectors. We can know the Malaysia market is not good. The sector, the information technology, healthcare, consumer staples. Okay. So first, let's see this one, information technology. Okay. So let's see. Maybe we can see this one. Okay, so we can see this share. Now from the chart, we know that this share is still in the downtrend. So the share is still in sideways. But if you didn't buy the share, you just should wait and see. And it's not good chance to get in now. And you need to wait. And we can see another one. Okay, so let's see this one. Okay, so we can see here, this one is still in the downtrend, but now it's for short-term rebound. Okay, so we can see the banker chips. Okay, so from the chart, we know that the banker chips start to get in. So maybe you can pay attention to this share. Maybe it's the good opportunity to focus. Okay, so let's see another one. Another sector is here, here. So we can see some stocks. So the first one is about this one. This one we can see the banker chips starts to get in again. So maybe it's the chance to catch some short-term rebound. But you should judge from you should combine with the trend ladder. Of course, the trend ladder, the white line still go up, go down. So if you want to do short-term rebound, you should buy little. Do not buy much. Do not invest much money. Invest a lot is okay because the trend is not good. You only can control your position and buy a little. Okay. So next one is about the consumer. Okay, so we can see some individual stocks like this stock. This stock is okay. So from the chart, we know that the banker chip starts to get in again, the money inflow. Okay, so what's that meaning? I think if you want to buy these shares from the chart, we know that here the banker chips starts to, we can see the banker chips increase, and here is the good buy point. If you buy here, maybe you can see. If you buy at this price, you just wait and see. And now is the good chance to catch some short-term rebound and earn some fast money. But we can know, maybe here is the bottom area. But we can see here, the white line still go down. So it tells us that the medium long-term trend is downtrend. But only for short-term rebound, it's the good chance to buy some stocks like this one. Okay, so if you want to do if you want to do short-term rebound, this is the good chance. This share is the good chance to buy. Okay, so this is the today's course, and I hope you can learn this method, these features of Omni chart, and I think it's the good artifact and it's the good X factor for catching some buy point in the stock market. And if you don't know how to judge the buy and sell point, you can use Homely chart to improve your accelerate. Okay, so this is today's course, and I hope you can learn some good methods. And I also can hope every investors can use Homely chart very well. And if you have some question, and if you want to pay the Homely chart 1 year data fee, you can let us know, and you can connect. You can visit our branches. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. 啊？怎么回事啊？为什么没声音啊？啊？为什么没开声音呢？